Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you one best Quotex strategies that can be used to generate high profits. I will follow all the details of this method, step by step, and let's see what results I can provide. So I think this is the right time to start. Okay, the first step is to go to the indicator settings, and the first one is the stochastic oscillator. Okay, in the following settings display, I didn't change them. Here, I used the default settings. In the following settings, you can follow the settings I use. This is the market I chose in this trade. You can choose it at the following mark. Regarding time settings, I set a standard of 1 minute and also a trading time interval of 1 minute. Now I will look for the best percentage currency pairs and all the best moments where I can trade this Quotex method and explain when this method worked best for me. Friends, I would like to remind those interested that the platform registration link is in the video description. Regarding this method, I opened the position at the very right time because when I trade this way, I always pay attention and prioritize. In fact, one of the determining factors for high profits is the red and green lines intersect at the line point crossover stochastic oscillator. Pay attention to how the following strategy works so that you don't fail to understand the explanation in this video. A simple way to use this indicator can be seen in an uptrend position, where you can buy and sell during a downtrend position. Bullish is a price trend to move up continuously over a certain period of time. Apart from functioning as overbought and oversold information, stochastic can help traders to find bullish divergence and bearish divergence. The first good trade ended perfectly. I will try in other markets. I recorded my second win, and I thought it was amazing. I think I found the right moment. This time, I opened a position downwards because I wanted a situation like the one shown to you.